Makiria ma kiumia kimwe kuma riria tuthurire ngucanio ya miario gatagati gake na gavana wa Nairobi Mike Sonko, murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Nairobi Esther Passaris ni aronekanire king'ang'a-ini rita ria mbere. Akiaria thutha wa gukinya kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta kiuma kigomano-ini bururi-ini wa Canada, Passaris ni anyararite miario ya Sonko ati ni akoretwo akihuthira mbeca cia muingi uria gutagiriire, kuria riu oritie honge cia kuhurana ungumania cithuthurie ndeto iyo.
This is a complaint by a senior state official, a governor, a sitting elected governor, that I have claimed per diem twice. That is an offense if one has done it that way. So what I would like is the governor to go and present the evidence.
Passaris ni ongereire kuga ndari amukirwo na ciringi imwe kuma kuri Sonko toria koretwa kiuga kuri ugite Sonko ni kumuthukiria aramuthukiria ritwa.
A lot of you are expecting me to address all the issues that were laid out in the press, but I will not, or in the social media. Yes. I will not go down that route. And the reason I will not go down that route is because I choose to act with integrity.
Yes.
I choose to respect my constitution.
Thank you.
I shall be visiting the office of the DCI. I shall be visiting the office of the EACC.
Ngucanio gatagati ka yeri yatuthukire muthenya wa gukungwira mambura ma madaraka riria Passaris yokireire mwathaniro wa Sonko guku nake Sonko akioya mweke ceceni-ini imwe ya TV kwanika mĩario gatagati kao akionania Passaris ni akoretwo akimuhoya mbeca. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.